Hey, it is Joey with Sun Outdoors touring this badass coach. Everybody's been talking about how we got to go see Captain Joy, and we are finally here. And could you tell us a little bit about just your journey, how you started this whole, I'm going to pack it all up and go on the road life?
My message is, and all my license plates and my business is, I'm going. I'm not waiting for you anymore. I just need to go.
It's time to see this Motorcoach. Let's go, Captain Joy. Wait, hold up. That's built in?
Built-in blender, built-in toaster, built-in coffee maker.
Okay, I gotta stop you real quick. Built-in toaster, built-in blender, coffee maker. Did you do this all on your own?
No, this is all original. 1985. Now, like I say, this coach was built so rock solid. It's really cool. Now we're at the lounge. I took the queen-size bed out of here. I sleep here while I'm traveling. I bought the coach to share. I bought the boat to share and have an extraordinary experience that is very unusual. And let me show you a secondary part.
Wait, there's more to this?
Come on back here, guys. And now
This is so amazing.
So the coach, of course, I said is 85. This is a 58. Vintage Deville. Did all the insulation, all new electric, all new lights inside, outside. Everything is new. Putting speakers in the...
It's a party. Everything about this is a party. We have to make it official. Captain Joy, I just want to ask you, what was the moment that you knew that you just wanted to take your life entirely on the road?
I love this coach, and I'm supporting the Chavers for getting this coach back in life, sharing with people, experiencing different campgrounds, and sharing with people in every campground that I go to. They love the coach, they love seeing it and what I've done to it.
It's Joey.
And Joy, Captain Joy, and we're out of here.
We're out.